Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace the clear bubble screen door slider. What'll happen is these will sometimes accidentally crack, or over long-term UV exposure, they'll be damaged. Good thing they're super easy to replace. You're going to want to start at the top here, and you're going to kind of gently pull outwards and then downwards with your thumbs to get it out of the track. Then the bottom should just pop right out. Then here I have a new one. You can get this from your local RV supplier, online, or directly through us. What you'll want to make sure is on the top and the bottom, sometimes there will be some excess plastic. You can either take a knife or a blade and very carefully just make sure that it's nice and smooth so that it can slide easily in the track. Next, you want to make sure that inside the tracks here, it's free of dust and debris that'll prevent it from sliding smoothly. Now to replace this, soft side goes to the inside of the door. We're going to start at the bottom first. So you put the bottom in the track. Then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to bow the plastic gently to get it into the track. Pop it in. And this is sliding smoothly. Hope that helps. Now you're ready to roll.